Alright, so it finally arrived. The car I've been teasing you with for my next project. Race car that I'm going to convert into a rally inspired daily driver. I'm going to use this as a daily driver. You guys ready? Alright, here we go. There she is. 1975 Toyota Celica. Still has all the vintage stickers from back in the day, in the 70s. SCCA can still be barely seen there. So this was in the ITB class of SCCA. It was raced by Kurt Warren Stangley, and he raced in Riverside Raceway as well as Willow Springs Raceway. As you can see, it needs a ton of work. The brake proportioning valve is leaking. All these seals are gone. I'm gonna replace this with T3 stuff. As you can hear, something else fell off. Regulators are all messed up in the rear. I already have the rebuild kit for that. It has the dealership installed sunroof that has been disabled. Put bracketry on it. Gotta test that if that leaks. As you can see, all the glass seals are gone. Gonna make sure that this is also sealed so that it doesn't leak inside the vehicle. At least I get this original style fuel cap. Again, there's some rust right here. Seal needs to be replaced. I'm gonna paint this black and make sure it's sealed. It's got some damage right here. Not sure if I'm gonna even bother fixing this. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is. It's gonna be my daily driver anyways. So that's broken. This is broken. The front spoiler actually has a low rubber piece that we had to remove to tow the vehicle. As you can see, it has a new radiator. Yeah, gonna get rid of these cheapies and put some good ones in there. Shout out to Japanese nostalgia car. Fire suppression system. Yeah, this thing's just like really old. This needs to be updated. It's got some fresh R888s that not Kurt but the owner after that put on the car because the original tires were all gone. I'll get rid of these. I have these like chrome dome heads that will replace that. Yeah, so overall it's not bad, especially for something that's been sitting for a long time, but it does need a lot of work. Gonna definitely keep the US bumpers because I actually want this for the rally lights. The rally lights are gonna sit right here. Gonna cut out a section right here and then sit in the bottom. Yeah, so there she is.